Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another new video. And this video is gonna about the Google Pixel 3 XL unboxing and hands-on that has been leaked recently, and this unboxing video has been released just 3 to 4 days before from the official launch of this smartphone. So here it is, the video of the Google Pixel 3 XL unboxing and the first hands-on. And first of all, you got your Google Pixel 3 new flagship device, and after that here are some paperworks and booklets, and after that here it is the pair of hand-frees, pair of earphones. You can see charging adapter with Type-C charge. So here it is, the Google Pixel 3 XL device that actually looks like the previous version of that device, Google Pixel 2 and Google Pixel 2 XL. And this device still comes with the single back camera, which is of 12.2 megapixel and f1.8 aperture, and there are two cameras at the front of 8 megapixels. And this is the display of the smartphone. You can see that there is a notch like iPhone X, not like the iPhone X, but it is smaller than iPhone X on this device. And this device comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 and the RAM is 4 gigabytes. This RAM is not enough. I mean, in 2018 we should have 6 gigabytes of RAM, and the resolution of the display is 1440p by 2960 pixels. The PPI density of this screen is 494, and it will run on operating system of Android 9. It means it's Android 9 Pie that is officially launched in 2018, and this is the latest version of Android. And the battery of this smartphone has not yet confirmed, but here are some rumors that the battery would be 3500 mAh, and there is no audio jack in this smartphone, and you will get an extra adapter in the box of this smartphone to connect your earphones with this smartphone by using Type-C charging cable. So that was my video on the unboxing and hands-on leaked of Google Pixel 3 XL. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more new unboxing videos of smartphones and other technology related gadgets. Thanks for watching.